Hey everyone, I'm Andrew, and welcome to Dadsterdam, where I share helpful, experience-backed travel tips for family trips. I've been to over 50 countries, and I travel often with my young son, so I know how important it is to prep right. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 must-dos before traveling abroad with kids. These are the things I wish I knew about before my first few trips as a dad. Watch until the end for a bonus tip on how to avoid hidden travel fees. And check the link out in the description for a PDF with the key points of this video to help you prepare for your next trip. With that, let's get into it. Section 1. Essentials. Ensure all passports are valid for at least 6 months after your return. Many countries won't let you enter if they're expiring sooner. Remember, kids' passports expire faster, often in 5 years. Print passport copies and save them separately. This is crucial in case they get lost. Always get travel insurance with medical coverage. Print out insurance documents to carry with you in case of an emergency. Section 2. Logistics. If you're flying, start with Google Flights for the best deals, especially if your dates are flexible. Always double check on airline websites. Sometimes they're cheaper. Book overnight flights when possible. Kids are more likely to sleep through them. Aim to land around midday. The natural light helps reset your body clock, making it easier to stay awake until local bedtime and adjust to the new time zone faster. Plan your route from the airport or train station to your accommodation ahead of time, whether it's by train, bus, taxi, or rideshare, to avoid extra stress when you're tired and managing kids. See how close your accommodation is to key spots like supermarkets and playgrounds, and make a plan to grab any necessities before the shops close. Map out your must-see attractions and book tickets ahead, especially for popular spots like the Anne Frank House in Amsterdam. These sell out fast. Section 3. Money. Notify your bank and credit card providers you'll be abroad so your cards don't get frozen. Check if your destination is more cash-based or card-based. For example, the Netherlands is almost all card, while Germany still loves cash. Always carry a backup credit card and some local cash, just in case. Set up Apple Pay or Google Pay for quick contactless payments. This also works on many public transport systems. Section 4. Digital. Download these must-have apps. I get no sponsorship, these are genuinely my favorites. Google Maps for directions, reviews, and offline maps. WhatsApp for universal messaging and location sharing. Uber for ride sharing, though public transport is usually better in Europe. Your airline app for boarding passes and flight updates. Streaming apps for kids' content. I use primarily Netflix and sometimes YouTube Kids. Make sure to download offline content for the trip. Spotify for relaxing playlists to wind down with. Google Translate for all translation needs. Use camera mode for instant menu translations. Dropbox or Google Drive for storing travel docs. Booking.com and Airbnb for accommodations. Rome to Rio for transport options between cities. Skyscanner for backup flight searches. Get Your Guide for local activities. And rentalcars.com for the best car rental deals, especially in Europe. And make sure to update all your apps before you leave so you don't get stuck updating without Wi-Fi. Download offline maps to avoid getting lost when you have no signal. Use Apple or Google Wallet to organize boarding passes and tickets. Pack fully charged Bluetooth kids headphones for trips and restaurants. Set up an eSIM or international data plan so you're connected the moment you arrive. Create a digital folder with copies of passports, IDs, insurance, confirmations, and other important documents. Section 5. Pack light. Use a backpack instead of a roller bag for better mobility, especially on Europe's cobblestones and tight sidewalks. This is a tough ask, but even swapping one roller for a backpack will make a big difference. Bring a small, foldable travel stroller that fits in the overhead bin. With this, no more waiting and oversized baggage. Pack only the essentials. Packing needs of course change with age, but these must-have items have stood the test of time. Wipes, small first aid kit, pain reliever, sunscreen, small toys, lightweight books, hats, and headphones. Pack snacks in reusable containers. This will be useful for food storage throughout the trip. If you're staying at a hotel, fill up the containers at the buffet breakfast with snacks for the day. Always check the weather at your destination and pack layers and rain gear, especially in places like Amsterdam and Northern Europe in general, where the weather changes fast. Bonus tip: prevent unexpected charges by using a credit card with no foreign transaction fees. Check your current cards and apply for a no-fee option well before your trip. I always carry a backup no-fee card too. That's it! I hope these tips helped make your next family adventure smoother and more fun. If there's something I didn't mention that you find useful, please include those in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Dadsterdam on YouTube and Instagram for more travel tips for family trips. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next journey.